Now, this is how you can retrieve deleted videos on your iPhone iCloud. Let's get started. So at first, it depends on whether or not you have the iCloud photos backed up automatically. So if you open up the settings and tap on your profile section at the top of the page and proceed to your iCloud account, you can check out the photos section. And if you have the sync this iPhone enabled, this is going to mean that every single photo and video will automatically be uploaded to your iCloud. And in that case, if you open up the Photos app, what you can see right here is also on your iCloud, which means that if you browse the album section and go through the collections there, and if you find the recently deleted, well, it's recently deleted on your phone as well as on iCloud. So here you'll be able to retrieve the deleted videos from your phone as well as the cloud because it's all synced and it's basically the same thing. So if you want to, you can retrieve your photos right here. However, in all other situations, I am recommending you to check out and open up the Safari web browser where you can just log in to iCloud through the iCloud.com website. When you sign in using your Face ID, you're going to get inside where you can browse your photos, and inside of the Photos section, you can switch over to the side panel, and there again you can see another recently deleted folder, but this time the difference is that this is specifically on the iCloud and it has nothing to do with the local storage. Right? So if you don't have it synced and you have it separate, just go in here and browse the iCloud deleted photos separately. And if you have it synced, then of course it doesn't make a difference because you can check it out in both places because it's all the same. So I really hope that it makes sense. Let me know below in the comments if there are more thoughts or questions you might have. Subscribe for more guides and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.